Hey, you clicked on this video because you want to learn about the F2 Laguna Tablesaw. Either you want to buy it, you're thinking about buying it, well, let me share with you my top favorite features after using this saw 6 to 8 months. But full disclosure, I'm filming this late August. It's hot. I'm in California. The trees are on fire. Gavin Newsom's gonna turn off my power. It's hot. Sorry guys, I just want to be a little bit dramatic on the intro to hopefully keep you here for 30 seconds, but I probably lost 50 of you guys. Anyways, my ultimate favorite feature, the mobility piece. Now this thing comes with wheels. I didn't have to attach wheels or do anything. The wheels are already built in. You can adjust up and down wherever you are on your garage floor. If you're a DIYer like me, bam, set and ready to go, leveled out. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love me some miters. I mean, it's even in my logo. But this has a digital reader that tells you the angle of your cut. Now you never have to worry about double checking. This thing is on point. Amazing feature. This is the old way I used to do it. Now, coming from a contractor saw, 36 inches, bruh, that's amazing. Literally can make cabinets on this thing. While editing this video, I noticed in this clip, I look extremely angry. I don't know why. Why should I be angry when I have this much real estate on this table saw? Well, you saw how easy it was for me to move my fence. Look at that. Oof. Oof. Yeah. Look how difficult it was for me to do that on my contractor saw. I had to double check, make sure everything was perfect, and then snap it in. Boy, that was hell. Now, I'm no tech guy, but I want you to look at this yourself. The motor's a 1.75, and you can use a normal plug, or you can upgrade to the 220. Let me demonstrate some of this power with a dado stack. You would assume all my neighbors would come out when I turn it on. But listen. And let me show you the difference between this big puppy and my old contractor saw that I used to use.
Get down to the ground! Now I made some fatal errors on this race,
But you see, the longest part about changing the blade is literally twisting off with your hands, twisting off the washers. I could have done better. Now, is this the right saw for you? I'm not sure. It's definitely the right saw for me. Working in the garage, cutting all the miters that I cut, the mobility piece, the leveling piece. I mean, this saw has been nothing but amazing to me. I actually have zero complaints. Now, if you have any questions, any concerns, any ideas, let me know. Be happy to answer those in the comments section. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I inspired you to go ahead and break the bank and get one of these beautiful saws.